Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. I'm Claudia. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of some Louis Vuitton sunglasses. These are the Pilot sunglasses. What's really funny is that I went to the store a couple of weeks ago and I just tried on a random pair at the store. I wasn't really sure if I wanted them or not. So, I try not to make impulsive buys. So what I did is I tried them on. I took a few pictures. And then I walked away and thought, you know what, if I really want them, I'll go back and buy them. So then when I got home, I got online to try to find the pair and I couldn't find them. So I wasn't really sure if maybe these are glasses that are going out of season or if this is just an older model or a newer model, I don't know. Or I just maybe couldn't find them online. So what I did is I actually sent a picture to my sales associate of me wearing the sunglasses. And I said, hey, I was in the store. I tried these on. Do you happen to have them in your store? Of course, I just kind of figured I'd just send them to her and see what she says. And she did her best to try to find me the pair that she thinks I tried on. So I'm not even sure if these are the exact pair that I wanted. So this is really all going to be new here. This is a true unboxing. The only thing I did was try to open it a little bit just so that I can get into the box, so that I didn't have to do that, on camera. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just get started and see if these are the glasses that I wanted. But if they're not, we're gonna do this together. So yep, again, these are, I believe, the Louis Vuitton Pilot sunglasses. After I open them and look at the information, I'll definitely attach that information on the video so that you have that. So, all right, let's go ahead and just open this. All right. So here they are. So here's my receipt. And these were, $705 is what I paid for them plus taxes. I hope these are the ones that I really wanted. So they come in this really pretty box. I'm not sure if you've ever purchased sunglasses. I will say this is my first Louis Vuitton sunglass pair. So cute box. They come with this little booklet. Not sure what I would do with that, but and this is the sunglass case. And inside, they actually come in this little pouch. Kind of looks like the dust bag that we get for the regular items, but it's more like a silky material, like the little cloths that you usually have in your sunglass cases. That's kind of the material of this, so it's kind of nice. Probably keeps them nice and clean. Okay, so I'm nervous, excited. I hope these are the ones that I wanted. So just FYI real quick, I did want a pair, the pair that I actually saw in the store. Here, let me put it up on the screen so you can see which pair. This is what I tried on at the store. So as you can see, it has, if you can look really close, it does have like the monogram print around the lens. So I really like that. I thought that was kind of cute and kind of neat. So, all right, let's see if these are the ones. Ooh. Okay, so I do want your opinion, everyone, what you think about these. Would you wear these? Are they worth it? Of course, the price, I always have a hard time, are they worth it? But, it depends on how much you like them. But, ooh. I will say these are super comfortable. And these are actually the ones that I tried on at the store, so I'm excited. I'm gonna try to get really close so that you can see the monogram print in them. But, oh, I think these are super cute. I'll show you a side view. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and just show you the detail close up so you can see what they look like. I'm trying to see if you can. It's hard to really pick up on the monogram, but you can see the monogram in the background, just like here. And the lenses do have that monogram print on them. Here, maybe you can see it better here. Super cute, and I like that it's got that gradient kind of look. It's almost like a blue going into kind of like a pink or something. Super cute. One of the reasons why I decided to go with more this style versus the plastic heavy set kind of glasses, I find myself, I have some Pradas and I have some Gucci's, really nice big sunglasses, but I find myself doing a lot of travel and just walking around, and for me, they're not personally that comfortable for me. I find myself reaching for my Ray-Bans that look like this, or I have some Burberrys that I really like. And they're, you know, I got them at a really good price, and I wear them all the time when we're walking in the city, or if I'm dressed casual. Even if I'm dressed up, I can still get away with them. And I wanted something more like that aviator look for me. And I love the nose pads because these do come with the nose pads. So for me, that was a must. And they're very, very light. So I'm going to try them back on again. These are absolutely perfect for me. And my essay is awesome. She actually found the exact pair that I tried on. But I'm gonna do a close-up again, but you can see like right here, it has like the little LV. Not LV, it's got the little logo here, the little flower. And here, I think you can see it now. And again, you know what's really cool is that although you can see the monogram print on the lenses, it's not overpowering. Like, I know I've seen some where it's super dark and from far away you can see the LVs and the monogram. This one's not. It's very light, which I think is very subtle. I mean, it still looks pretty cool and neat, but not super, super, you know, loud. Well, I would love to hear your thoughts, what you think about these. Is this something that you would buy? I will tell you just from, you know, I tried them on at the store and I love them. And I really wanted them, but I try not, like I said earlier, I try not to be very impulsive, and I thought I would just think about it. And yeah, I'm really, really happy with these. I'm so excited to wear them, but I would love to hear your thoughts. And if these are glasses or sunglasses that you would purchase, or if you do own a pair like this, I would love to hear your thoughts. But they seem really comfortable, so I'm super excited to wear them. But that's all I really have for you guys. So thank you so much for visiting my channel, and I hope to see you again.